Picture this, it's the 1960s, and there's a rumble on the streets of America. That sound? It's coming from one of the most iconic car brands ever built, Pontiac. And oh, what magnificent beasts they created. 3 years later, the Firebird roared onto the scene, going head-to-head with Chevy's Camaro. And who could forget the legendary Firebird Trans Am? Thanks to Smokey and the Bandit, it became the dream car of an entire generation. What made Pontiac special? It wasn't just about the massive V8 engines that could shake the ground beneath you. It was about attitude. Every Pontiac had this aggressive, unmistakably macho design that screamed American muscle. In the 70s and 80s, if you wanted to be cool, you wanted a Pontiac. But then everything changed. The 1980s brought the oil crisis, and suddenly, those gas-guzzling monsters weren't so appealing anymore. Japanese manufacturers like Toyota and Honda started flooding the market with fuel-efficient cars. And Pontiac? They were caught flat-footed. The 2000s were even crueler. Pontiac lost its identity, with many models becoming nothing more than rebadged Chevrolets. The unique spirit that made Pontiac special was fading fast. Then came the knockout punch, the 2008 financial crisis. GM was on the ropes, and tough decisions had to be made. In 2009, the announcement came. Pontiac would be discontinued. After 84 years of building American dreams, the brand that gave us the GTO, the Firebird, and countless memories was gone. Today, while Pontiac exists only in our memories, its legacy lives on. Classic models are more sought after than ever, commanding huge prices at auctions. And for those who remember the golden age of American muscle cars, Pontiac will always be more than just a car brand. It was a symbol of an era when American cars ruled the roads with thunder and style. That's the story of Pontiac, a tale of triumph, tragedy, and the undying spirit of American muscle cars gone, but never forgotten.